Hello, welcome to Illustrae. This mini tutorial is part of a series, so if you would like to learn more, you should be able to find a list of related videos to learn more about how to get the most out of Illustrae platform. The first tip I'm going to share is about providing expert guidance. While Illustrae is getting pretty smart, it's not the expert, you are. Nobody knows your topic better, so it's up to you to provide expert guidance to help Illustrae generate the visuals that you need. A concrete example of this might help. Let's say you were working on convolutional neural networks. You know what a CNN is, but if you don't provide any context, Illustrae is definitely not going to get this right. So if I just type this prompt into the prompt bar, I can choose a modern style. So as expected, it hasn't really picked up on what we meant. Sometimes you get lucky and it knows the acronym, but most often the guidance would be specific about what it is exactly that you want. This time, on the other hand, we've gotten a very clear breakdown following our guidance. It's given us the steps that we wanted, and it's even added some broader labels below. But we recommend that the best approach is actually a combination of giving a detailed description plus an image as guidance. Now that might be a sketch that you've made already, or perhaps an image that you've already used in your own materials, but that also includes using an element that Illustrae has generated and asking for some specific edits. So for example, if we want the image to be edited in a certain way, all you have to do is hit Control or Command C, paste it into the prompt bar and ask for the edits that you want. So in this case, we might just say, please make all elements. In this case, I'm actually going to select custom style so that we don't use any of the preset styles in Illustrae, and then hit edit image. And here we go. Here's our image, which has the consistent color and styling. So quick recap. You are the expert, so you need to provide expert guidance for Illustrae to work with. Avoid using acronyms unless you provide specific examples and follow-up of what you want, and try to give as much detail as possible when prompting Illustrae for your visuals.